Just a quick video, guys, about getting the tree guards on your trees. A lot of times one might put the tree guards on, but they don't get them clear down to the bottom. It just got done raining here, so everything's wet. But if you don't get the tree guards on your fruit trees, this is an apple tree, if you don't get the guards down to the bottom, the voles will come through in the wintertime. You'll see the trails through the snow and underneath the grass, but they'll get under here and chew that bark off. So you want to make sure that you get that tree guard down in there as far as you possibly can to protect that, so that they can't get in there and girdle your tree, because they'll get down low and you won't even know it and wonder why your tree dies next year. So make sure you pay attention and get those tree guards all the way down into the ground. Get the grass or what have you pulled away and get the tree guard down there. All right, have a good one.